this is your first time here, hi, my name is Chloe LeGras. I am the founder and owner of Boxwood Avenue. I am an interior designer, but I also host antiquing retreats all throughout Europe. So you can come on an antiquing retreat in Florence or here in Provence. We're just getting ready. Our retreat starts tomorrow. I also host in Paris and in the Cotswolds, and it just keeps expanding. When I started 10 years ago with just an Etsy shop, I actually went on a retreat like this and it completely changed my life. It really inspired me. It helped me slow down. It helped me appreciate the beauty and see things differently, see design so differently. And I loved getting to bring antiques from France back to my home in the United States. I started doing that for clients, bringing antiques back, and I was sharing about it on Instagram. So many people asked, can I come with you? And I thought, you know what? That really changed my life. I'd love to inspire other women to come and hopefully give them the same experience. So we started Boxwood Abroad like 4 or 5 years ago, and what started just in Florence is now expanding, and we are going to more and more destinations. It's an incredible journey, an incredible experience, and I want to tell you a little bit about what you can expect if you want to come on a Boxwood Avenue Abroad retreat. For me personally, one of the most incredible things about traveling is getting to be really immersed in the culture. And at our retreats, I like to go and spend a lot of time in each location getting to know the artisans and the people, the makers, and really provide a next level experience. So you're not just coming to Provence, you're not just coming to Florence, you're really getting to meet the people and see how things are done in each location. And I think that that's what really creates this life-changing experience, because you get out of your comfort zone, you get out of your element, and you get to see things done differently. So where we make olive oil in the United States, maybe they do it differently here in Provence, and you get to have that hands-on experience and really hear the story of the people who are making everything here. I think it's that intentionality, especially in Europe. That's what I'm really passionate about, and I think that's probably one of the biggest cultural differences in Europe is the intentionality behind everything that they do. Getting to then infuse that back into life in the States is what I think creates that little ripple effect that overall, in hopes, improves your life in general. There are specific retreats where you can come to Europe or France in general and antique and package up a container and send it home. That's not what we do at Boxwood Abroad. We are more so about getting to know the people within each area. So I come and I travel to all of the locations ahead of time, and I get to know the best winemaker or the family that's been here for 5 generations or even 10 generations. We get to know the local cheese guy, and we connect. I like to connect with all of them to bring together this experience that really immerses you in the culture. So for example, here in Provence, throughout my travels, I've made friends with this incredible couple that has a restaurant here in the Lourmarin Valley, and they come and they do a cooking class where they teach us specific recipes of the region. We get to go to a private chateau, Chateau Fontvert, which is here in Lourmarin, which is right where I'm standing. It's the Chateau of Lourmarin, and we get to experience a lunch on their terrace at their private residence, get to connect with them and have lessons about how to order wine and how to select the best wine, all while in this beautiful setting surrounded by incredible women who are all interested in design and antiques. So it goes beyond just antiquing. We really try and tailor everything to be really specific to each area so that when you go, you walk away feeling almost like a piece of it you can now carry with you. So our team in Boxwood, I think that all of us are really passionate about living intentionally. And I think that you can say that, right? Like it's kind of a buzzword, but we really believe it deep in our bones. And for us, it's never, when we're designing houses for clients, designing a beautiful house is actually pretty easy. Like that's not very hard, right? You can look at Pinterest, you can put something together that looks decent. But for us, we really like to take things a step further. We want every home that we design to be filled with this feeling of home. You know, when you go into somebody's house, if it feels cozy, it feels homey and warm and welcoming, that's much harder to achieve, especially when you're hiring a designer. So for us at Boxwood, what's most important is that we bring these elements of different cultures, of different lifestyles, of different perspectives into somebody's home to provide a much more curated and layered home. And I think a great way to achieve that for yourself, if you're not going to hire a designer and you want to infuse that feeling into your home, is through travel, getting to see these mirrors that are hundreds of years old and bringing those home, or the plates that you eat off of, whether they're handmade by ceramicists here in Provence or they're vintage plates. I think the energy of those elements is then transfused into your home. So it's not just going to West Elm and buying new plates and having it look good. It takes so much more intention, every single piece that you bring into your home. And ultimately, that's what we want to provide within our interiors firm, on the blog, through my social media, and then of course through Boxwood Abroad. I often think back to the retreat that I went on, that it really changed my life. I talk about it all the time, even still here as we're putting our retreat together. I think about the little moments that made an impact on me, and most of that is just through elevating different things, like making the cookies really sweet by a local person, or just thinking through all of the little details. So instead of a plastic bag, we have the market bags. But I think even more so is that I'm still friends with a lot of the women that were on the retreat that I went on, and that was probably like 7, 8, maybe even 10 years ago. And I think that the community that's developed on these retreats is one of the biggest takeaways, because you're all coming together, you all care about the same thing, and then it's this instant friendship. We spend 4 or 5 days together where we're just with one another, we're experiencing these incredible things that really do make an impact on our life, and getting to carry that forward through all of these newfound memories and all of the antiques that you get to bring home, the experiences, and then the friendships are just the sprinkles on top. All of that together creates just these memories that you will carry through for the rest of your life. If you're interested in joining us on a Boxwood Abroad retreat, tickets sell out pretty quickly, so you definitely want to get on the wait list. If you're on the wait list, you get first access to tickets, and we will announce new retreat locations very soon. We will be back here in Provence September 2026. We do a Christmas market in Paris, and things just keep growing.